Hello. So today we're going to have a very quick look converting numbers from one type to another. So let's begin by looking at calculating square foot to square meters. So generally people's go-to is one of the conversion sites or just simply Googling convert square foot to square meters. And that gives us the calc we can, of course, put into Excel to convert one to the other. But did you know that Excel has all these calculations stored in it automatically, and you don't have to look up what's behind that calculation unless you want to, of course. And it will say, what number am I converting? I'm converting that one, comma. And when you type the comma, you'll see all the different types of conversion units that you can possibly choose. Some, of course, are American, but there are many in here that you can utilize. We've even got degrees, so temperatures, pints. You can even convert recipes from American and you can see square foot. Now, as you begin to use the ones that you do in your particular job role, then you can learn what this is. So it's square foot to meters squared. Yeah. So if I do that, comma, what am I going to move it to? I want to do it square meters. And if we have a look at that calculation, it